Additional Village Committee Chongbari 2026 Zone Talni Bisingo no complete Khlainani Dagimung Rwkha Supreme Court Srangsalo Supreme Court Dagimung Rwjakmani yakulo kokno Sakha Advocate Bhashkar Debbarma.
Additional Village Committee Chongbari no to ye BCC Roma Dalvidal issue no Funogi Chongbari postpone Rwjakmani. Paithago o issue no the Debbarma Supreme Bubakra Project Debbarma Supreme Court case Khlainani Abani yakulo no Supreme Court House in Chongbari Commission Dagimung Rwkha Tamani Baga election Khlaisage Hene Dagimung Rwkha Haikeno Supreme Court report summit Sakha or report of Khlainani yakulo Supreme Court Debbarma in Faison Goshimung Rwkha Paithago Supreme Court Dagimung Rwkha 2026 Zone Talin Bisingo Chongbari complete Khlainani Dagimung Rwkha Hani Sakha Advocate Bhashkar Debbarma.
Yes, there are two matters are being listed today in the court number 14, headed by Justice Manus Mishra and Justice Manmohan. The matters are related. One matter is related with the village committee election, and second matter is the pending of bills of TTADC, which are now lying pending with the state government. So these matters are being listed today. And number one matter regarding BC election matter, today Supreme Court accepted the affidavit submitted by the State Election Commission. In their affidavit, the State Election Commission have mentioned that they submitted their schedule of the village committee election, and they have in their affidavit that they will complete the process, including the declaration of result by end of June 2026. That is the last week. By last week of June 2026, they will complete the process, including the declaration of the result of the village committee election. Then the court accepted. And second issue is that regarding the pending of the bills, this matter has been listed in the court number 14, and the court admitted the writ petition filed by the TTADC regarding the pending of bills. And this matter accepted, so now court will send a notice to the respondents. Regarding BC election matter, this matter again listed on 20 May 2026. So now the BC election will be done under the supervision of the Honorable Apex Court.
Paithagular Hinpane Erishi BC Chongbari Khlainani Dagimung Rwkha Supreme Court BCC Nashmani yakulo Kaham Kaisha Goshimung Sakha. Bureau Report Chini Khorang.